Hi, I am Alina SB Garza, and today is June 9th, 2020. I'm going to be talking about the functions of the brain, and here are my notes. The brain, just some notes. Okay, so first for the brain, the science of the brain is neuroscience, and someone who that would be like what you studied and like a surgical aspect of it. That would be a neurologist or a surgical neurologist, someone who studies the brain and the nerves, the brainstem and everything that has to do with that. Some of the anatomical positions. The brain is proximal to the brainstem, deep to the skin, and it's superior to the axis portion of the body. And then 5 of the functions of the brain. The first structure and its function is the hypothalamus, and that helps a lot with releasing hormones and regulating the body's metabolism and the hormones throughout our body through the pituitary gland. The next one is the cerebellum, which is the small portion, like the little tiny brain behind the cerebrum, and that helps with muscle activity. The next portion of the brain I want to describe is the cerebrum, so the 2 hemispheres of the brain, and that helps with like your personality, intelligence, reasoning, logic. Both hemispheres of the brain work together and have different functions to like create your personality and how much you're capable of. And then the next one is the medulla, which regulates like coughing, vomiting, sneezing. So those are a couple of things that the medulla does, and that's important for the brain. And the last one is the brainstem, which helps with like your sleep cycle, your heart rate, and your body temperature, and it just helps keeps regulating the portions of your brain that your like hemispheres are not doing, and your medulla is not doing, or like your hypothalamus is not releasing hormones. So it just does those small things. The main function of the brain is really to like create who you are. It not only regulates like your personality, your logic, your reasoning, but also regulates like your body temperature, your heart rate, your breathing, releases hormones, tells your body like when you need something or when you don't, and whether like you should breathe. And your body just sends signals to everything inside your body to like pump hormones, pump blood, pump oxygen. So all those are really important functions that we need for living, and that's why I am like really invested, and I really love learning about the brain. Thank you.